with Krishna's devotees, Aikya means intimacy in relationship with Krishna. This is the meaning of Aikya, according to Sridhar Swami. And that's a fact. Every devotee has his personal, individual, eternal, intimate relationship with Krishna, or albeit Radha and Krishna, if that's one's sthayi bhav. And often the question is asked, well, there seems to be so many lines of parampara and so many hundreds of years now past and so many hundreds of years in the future. Thousands of sadhakas will attain perfection and Sarup Siddhi and attain their siddhideyas, realize their siddhideyas and take birth, appear in Bhoma Vrindavan and Prakat Leela. How will they all be accommodated? There's only one Radha and Krishna. There's only one Ras Mandala. So there's thousands and thousands of Sakhis and Mantris. And the Acharyas explained that it's because it's Nara Leela and because it's Krishna's Achintya Shakti and Yogamaya is working there. Everywhere there's a small group, and that fact is proven, we've discussed many times. When Narada Muni in Dwarka Leela, Krishna book, Dasana Skanda, when he went from palace to palace, 16,000 palaces, he saw 16,000 Krishnas. He saw 16,000 Vasudevs. He saw 16,000 Devakis, 16,000 Ugrasenas. The whole Parivar was there. And one palace is Rukmini, and then Krishna's father and mother and relatives. Another palace is Satyabhama and Krishna's father and mother. So the idea, it's called Parakoshta. Parakoshta means compartmentalized.